Hi everybody, it's Alison from RPR Hair Care. I just wanted to jump on today and just really talk to you really quickly about toning. So most of you know that with RPR Mycolour, we actually have what's called micro pigment technology that's found in our colour range. So what we recommend is that you actually treat the hair before you tone. We only recommend for you to use 2 products when you're going to do this. Now, the reason why we recommend for you to treat before you tone is to even out the porosity in the hair, and to also, it just fills all the potholes in. So the 2 products that we recommend for you to use is the RPR Repair My Hair mask or the Untangle Me. Now, the reason why we recommend for you to use either one of these products is because the pH of both products is excellent and it doesn't close the cuticle to actually affect the toner. So with Untangle Me, it sits at 4.5 to 5% pH on the scale, and Repair My Hair sits between 5 and 6% on the pH scale. So guys, please make sure that you are treating before you're toning, because you actually will get a better result with using either of these products. Thank you. Bye.